Okay, ROG ASUS, you give gamers what they want. The latest 5000 series AMD CPUs, the latest Nvidia GPUs, 4K, 120Hz, wolf, winner, chicken dinner.
Right, Telionia champs, some more CES coverage, this time from ASUS or ROG. Make sure you subscribe for more CES coverage. They've got a few products here. So now let's start off with this ROG Flow X13. Okay, so there you can see it on the left. It has an optional eGPU. This thing looks killer, okay? So we're talking about an ultra portable 13-inch laptop with the Ryzen 9 59080HS, so 35 watt, 8 core part, wow, GTX 1650 in a 13-inch package, right? 100 watt USB-C charger. They say up to 10 hours of gaming on a full charge. What? We'll have to test that one out. The Flow X13 features a flip design which allows the screen to be flipped around. So what? It's a 2-in-1, is it? 120Hz display, and you can get 4K. Gorilla Glass 16x10, adaptive sync, Pantone certified, Dolby Atmos speakers. It does have that two-way AI noise cancelling, and that ASUS noise cancelling is amazing. I mean, it's as good as Nvidia's one, right? You can also pair it with that eGPU there. Have a look at it. Look how tiny that eGPU is. RTX 3080. Wow. Now it has a proprietary eGPU connector with 63 gigabits per second. So that bottleneck of 40 gigabits, now we've probably got the same sort of connection that the Alienware have. So Alienware had their own Alienware connection that is better than Thunderbolt 3 or 4. This is that sort of thing. It's proprietary, it goes straight to the CPU. The bottleneck should be much less. So you'll be able to 4K game on this. Course, if you get that eGPU, but the thing that stands out to me is how small that is. I gotta say, it's pretty freaking cool, and it's good that it's got AMD, liquid metal, all the good stuff. This is worth checking out. Then we have the Zephyrus Duo SE. I guess that stands for special edition, and what that means is now we're having a laptop with AMD CPUs. Yes, baby, AMD CPUs, 4K, 120Hz. Wow, that's what we want, baby. 120Hz 4K, because you're going to be using 3000 series graphics up to RTX 3080, of course. You can 4K game on this. Imagine using this thing to play Cyberpunk. 4K, RTX on, baby. This is killer. I've said it once and I'll say it again. The king of innovation at the moment is ROG ASUS. Of course, this has the dual screen. See if there's another photo of it. There you can see all the products. There you can see another photo of it. Yeah, dual screen, all the benefits of that. Go check out my last review on it, but now it's just turned up to 11 with RTX 3000 and AMD 5900HX processors. Woof. This is the one. This looks like the gaming king with the 4K 120Hz here. Now, wow. All right, so we've got a Scar Strix 17 as well, which I assume is this one and that one. And again, 3000 series RTX 3080 5900HX. So I love that ASUS supporting AMD in their premium laptops. It's compatible with 100 watt USB Type-C, 360Hz Full HD display, Dolby Atmos. I guess the main thing about this is really the best 5000 series AMD and the best Nvidia graphics. Here we have a monitor, the PG32UQ. Now the best monitors for me are ROG and Alienware. Now this thing is the world's first 32-inch HDMI 2.1 gaming monitor, 144Hz IPS 1 millisecond response, supports up to 4K 120Hz. And you can actually use display compression with this, and you can actually do 4K 144Hz via the display port. Apparently you don't lose any fidelity there. Pretty much 100% Piece 3, HDR 600, calibrated. That looks good. Oh, that looks nice. Then they also have some peripherals here, some, Claymore keyboard and a mouse here, wireless mouse. Yeah. So anyway, that's ASUS. Wow. AMD, baby, some killer friggin' products here. I want to get my hands on that 4K 120Hz, baby. That's the one. Catch you in the next one, guys. Tally ho.